Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set out of office message in Outlook. But before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit that like button. So let's get started. To set out of office message in Outlook, you have to go to this file option here, and then here you see automatic replies. You have to click on the automatic replies, and then here you should select send automatic replies, and you also can set to send the automatic replies only during a certain time. If you want to do that, you have to select this one and select start date and end date. I will choose the start date as today and end date as tomorrow, and also you can specify the time. Now you can enter whatever message you want. Dear sender, I am OOO out of office. I will reply to your mails as soon as I come back, and say OK. Now you have automatic replies set. Whenever you receive a new mail, the sender will receive an automatic reply saying that I am out of office and will reply you as soon as I come back. That's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.